So I posted a video a few days ago and titled it Tomorrow, as I saw a pattern which I wanted to share with everyone. And the stats I shared were true, and we saw the same price movement with Sofi stock. Now in today's video, I'm sharing a pattern I noticed, and it'll be really interesting to see if these stats can also unfold the same way on Monday. So without any delay, let's get started, as I have to be on the road for the weekend trip with the family, so won't bother you with any more videos this weekend. Okay, so let me share my screen, which will show some price action for Sofi all the way back to August. And now we know that we had some major catalysts that happened during the week, or I would say during last 4 weeks. We had an analyst upgrade and also more institutions buying Sofi stock. But all of this pattern stayed mostly the same. Take a look here. So as you can see, this is pattern, and I'm going to enlarge it so that we can see week by week. So you can see this is the current week that we are in right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have a total of 8 weeks going back. So pay attention to this right here. So I'm going to actually start in August. This is Monday, the volume was 8 million shares, and this is Friday, the volume was 10 million shares. The volume 11 million shares, and then 7 million shares on Friday, sorry. Then on Monday, 9 million shares, and then 46 million shares on Friday. Now, if you pay attention, anytime if the number of shares or the volume is higher on Monday, is followed by a low volume Friday. So pay attention here. 8 million, 10 million, 11 high Monday, low Friday, low Monday, high Friday, high Monday, low Friday, and it continues to go on and on week after week. And then it continued the same: high Monday, low Friday, high Monday, low Friday, and now I'm recording this video Friday at 11 a.m. So I really don't know where the stock is going to end today. Now this correlates to the price as well. So pay attention here. If there are no catalyst, if there is nothing going on in the market in terms of no analyst price prediction or any kind of Evergrande saga or any kind of China news that's pulling the whole stock market down, this is what's going on with the price if you pay attention. So anytime if we have started Monday in a green, we have ended Friday in a red, mostly. So Monday green, Friday red, Monday green, Friday red, as you can see over here. And this is where the whole market was really rallying. So of course Friday we ended up in green, but if you see the volume over here, we started off with high volume Monday and then low volume Friday. So majority of the time, if we have started Monday in green, we have ended Friday in red, majority of the time. Or if we have started Monday in red, as you can see over here, we have ended up Friday in green, as you can see. So the whole point that I'm trying to make here is that after looking at the chart, you can make two things very clear. If there are no major catalysts, then if Monday is a high volume day, then you can see that Friday will be a low volume day. And if Monday is a low volume day, then Friday will be a high volume day. As I mentioned, volume does not always correlates to price, as this could be very well buy or sell. But we have seen this pattern that every Friday, and actually if you go back further than 8 weeks, you can go back to like 12 weeks or 36 weeks, Friday has technically ended in red. People taking profit in majority of the Fridays ended in red, except any major news week or any major market movement. So as I mentioned that I had no idea where the stock is going to end today, but this is what I will be looking for Monday. If the volume is high, then we know that Friday could be a low price day, profit taking, depending if we do not receive any bank charter news or any other major catalyst during the week that could very well change the dynamics. Now, this is why I posted this video. And please note, this is not a financial advice or a trading advice. This is my personal opinion for entertainment purposes only. We are not looking to time the market. No one can, or else I would have bought 10,000 shares of DWAC, literally. But by the way, I did buy a little bit just for fun. Okay, so back to the topic. So we are not timing the market, but reading charts and trying to make a logical decision. So let's look at the chart and look at few scenarios for trading Sofi stock right here. So if you were to say buy an option, you would rather buy an option here than buy an option here, correct? I mean, if you're trying to buy a call, I'm not talking about puts here, I'm talking about being bullish on the stock. You would rather buy it here than buy it here, or you would rather buy it on a Friday because you know the prices is low, the volume is low. Monday, we can see the price movement. Again, if all market conditions remains the same. So if you're buying, or if you're planning to buy a call, or if you're trying to buying an option, then I would wait either for a low price Monday, because then we know Friday could be higher, or we can buy Friday because we know Monday could be higher. Again, not a financial advice. So I personally look at these signs and then decide how I want to play option. This works really well for short-term trades or for options. As for investing and buying shares, if you're a long term, then these weekly fluctuations should not bother or should not matter. Again, we are not trying to time the market, just making sense of what the stats have told us or what the history has told us. Not a financial advice, but this is my opinion, and I look at these signs and then decide how I want to play options. This works well for options, but for investing and buying shares, and if you're a long-term or long-term investor, then these weekly fluctuations should not bother you or should not matter. Hope I provided some value, and if you like the video, then consider subscribing and hit the like button so we can reach out to more SoFi lovers. And if you have not, then please go to my last video and help me with the Discord decision. I'll link it up here. As always, an absolute pleasure to share all of this with you, and until next time, you all have a sparkling day.